So for how I have been installing the Greatmats floor tiles, it's called StayLock and the texture is orange peel. It's a flexible PVC square. They also provide some edge pieces that are also flexible. They all have these little clips there, as well as some hooks that those clips can then go into, and then there's different corner pieces available as well. So all of these are easily removable, where you're able to modify the floor plan. What I have found best for my gym is to have on top of the carpet, instead of using a rubber mat, which I found would have kind of an odor to it, it'd be heavy, it'd be difficult to shape, I instead used the Greatmats StayLock Orange Peel tiles, interlocked them. Then I placed this is the anti-skid mat. I placed that on top of it, and then I used these foam pads. You can then cut them to your shape. I place them on top of that and interlock it. That way, I'm able to get a little bit more padding on top of the work area here, which has been nice. It also works really well for if you have neighbors or if you're on a floor up above them, you're able to kind of dampen that noise a little bit more. So what I like to do is you'll place these here, and a lot of them you can just kind of clip in. One thing that I found that works a lot nicer if you've got a lot of them, you can get a rubber mallet, and then you can kind of make sure that they're positioned correctly and they pop right in. I then take these edge pieces, make sure I line those up. Sometimes I want to make sure I get the first one in here, and you can position them. Super easy and quick to put them all in. One final corner piece. I like these corner pieces and the edge pieces because then you're able to avoid getting your foot caught on the edge of the tiles, and it makes a nice clean look. So definitely recommend them. I've had them for 4 years and they're still holding up really well.